Today I'm going to show you how I make jalapeno poppers. This is another quick and easy recipe. Let's get started. Start off by cutting the jalapenos in half and removing the seeds. Make sure when you're handling jalapenos to wear gloves because the oils from the jalapenos will burn if you touch your eyes or nose. On a cookie sheet, line it with aluminum foil. With a brush, apply olive oil to prevent the jalapenos from sticking to the foil. Then start placing your jalapenos on your cookie sheet. At this time, if you want to add a few seeds to spice up your poppers, here's your chance. I've added one seed to only 2 jalapenos. The next thing we're going to do is cut our turkey bacon into small pieces. Then add the bacon to a cast iron skillet and cook it until it's a crispy texture. Now, in a small bowl, start preparing your filling. Place in your cream cheese, your sharp cheddar cheese, and your Mexican style shredded cheese with your crispy bacon. Also, add in your smoked paprika, accent, black pepper, and combine all of these ingredients. Use a spoon or a small spatula and fill each jalapeno with the cheesy mixture until all of them have been filled. Before we get these jalapeno poppers in the oven, we want to preheat our oven on 375 degrees Fahrenheit. When adding your filling to your jalapenos, you want to make sure that you get enough of the cheesy mixture into the jalapenos so you'll be able to really taste the cream cheese when you bite into it. This recipe can be used for habanero peppers, which will bring more spice. You can use poblano peppers, they're a little milder, but whatever peppers you prefer, you should try this recipe. On my baking pan, I'm able to stuff 20 jalapeno poppers. They aren't too big or too small, they're just right. Just by the looks of these jalapenos, I'm ready to try them before I put them in the oven. They look so delicious. In our preheated oven, we're going to bake these jalapeno poppers for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the cheese starts melting. Don't overbake these poppers because the cheese will melt right out of these jalapenos. After removing your jalapeno poppers out of the oven, garnish them with chives and serve them with your choice of dipping sauce. Let your poppers cool down for about 5 minutes before you eat them. These jalapeno poppers can be prepared for special events, such as parties, game days, or even a quick snack. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and share my channel with everybody in your contacts. Bye.